Welcome to 2018. I bought this shirt in 2007. You ready? You ready? Alrighty guys, so we are here in 2018. I cannot believe how fast that 2017 went. I wait like all year for fall and winter, so then once it happens, it's the next year already. I just wanted to do a video all about my favorite makeup items from 2017. I have a little bit of everything and it's going to be a little bit of a random video, but I tried to organize things as best as I saw fit. So here are my favorites of 2017. Let's get started. Okay, so my first favorite is skincare. So this is the Caudalie Vino Perfect, and this is a serum that you use like with the eyedropper, and I just apply this to my face every night. It's really moisturizing and soothing and smooth. I love it so much. I started using this because it came in the birthday pack from Sephora. I have that in a video. We had to buy the full sizer because it is so good. My skin feels so moisturized even in the colder months when it's like just really dry. I've been keeping quenched, and I think it's because of this product. Another favorite of mine is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrop. So I have a video all about this, like I showed my first impressions and stuff. It's a gel based coconut highlight. A little goes a super long way. Like, look at this. It is just that beaming highlight. It's not greasy at all. It is a very dry formula. It just brings your highlight to like that extra level of like beaming. It's so cute. My next favorite I also have a video on because I filmed first impressions a lot this year, and I was super lucky with the stuff that I was trying out. So another favorite is the Dior Skin Forever, and I have the shade 41 Ochre. The way that this applies is like a dream. It sinks into your skin and it looks like skin. It doesn't look cakey at all. It just makes everything evened out, and it looks like you have really, really good, beautiful, even complexion. I love this stuff, and it wears all day long. I wear this to work. It's not cakey at all. This stuff is just wow. KKW Beauty came out in 2017, and then their first launch were these highlight and contour sticks. This is a medium duo, and this is what I use more often than not, and they blend so beautifully. I'm not comfortable with cream contour at all. I think it's super intimidating, but this stuff, you just apply this, oh my goodness. So here are colors from the medium kit. The warmer like looks so nice. It's a bronzer all around the face, and then this cool tone is for true contouring. Use this on your nose either with a beauty blender or a brush. They are just so easy to work with. And then here are the highlight colors. A creamy one and then a little bit of a shimmery one. Dark highlight comes with this really shimmery dark brown, and I actually think it's so beautiful. It's metallic. It looks so nice on the eye. Shortly after that, they came out with a powder contour and highlight kit. This is the same kind of deal. They give you a warm tone and a cool tone, and then two shimmery highlights, a yellowier one and then a pinker one. Cooler shade right here. I love using. The line as a whole, like what I've seen, I'm super happy with. So when I purchased the dark highlight and contour sticks, I actually got two of the highlight sticks, and I emailed them. They responded right away and sent over a replacement, so they were super easy to work with, super professional, and I love that kind of stuff. It was cool to learn that that's how KKW Beauty operates too. I also purchased some things from Marc Jacobs this year, which I'm so excited about because this is my new favorite. It's a bronzer, but it's a matte bronzer. This is the Omega bronzer. I have this on today, and I love this stuff so much. The color is perfect. It kind of reminds me of Benefit Hoola in the sense that it looks kind of light in here, but it is not. Like, it is perfect. That's what I have on, and it just does a great job of creating a contour. It has enough red and orange to really be a perfect neutral color, which is why I think it's great for contouring. Marc Jacobs gloss, oh my goodness you guys, it is so fantastic. It smells like mint, and it's a really thick gloss, really pigmented, and it lasts a long time for a gloss. I was surprised how long that this lasts on the lips. My favorite brush that I found in 2017, hands down, is the Tom Ford 06 cheek brush. I personally use this for contouring, but this is a dream, and I just love the shape of it. This is so perfect for getting in the cheeks right here, just creating a really perfect contour, and then put this in the hairline, just everywhere where you want the sun to shine. It's actually a cheek brush, and I'm tempted to try using it for blusher, but I cannot stop using this for contour. And then I think my favorite product that I found in 2017 was the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. I've mentioned this in so many videos since I purchased this. It's a dual-ended liquid liner, and it's not felt tip. It actually has bristles on it, but it is so perfect, you guys. There's two ends. I know I've talked about this before, but there's two ends, and there's like a longer side and then a shorter side, so you can do more precise lines. You guys, this stuff is so good. If you like winged liner, it goes on so well. It glides on so easily. It doesn't skip. The color is just super black. It is beautiful. Honestly, it's my favorite makeup product that I found in 2017. I love it. Super steep price point. It's $57, but it is so worth it. Another brand that launched in 2017 is Fenty Beauty, which is Rihanna's makeup line. Man, this brand is like fantastic. It's by Kendo. They also do Marc Jacobs Beauty, so it's really good stuff. This is the Kilowatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. I don't know which one's which, but I love the shimmery one. You probably see it from the moon. I don't really know. I love the pinky shade of it. Also, the lip products, I was so impressed. This is the gloss. It says Fenty Glow. I think they only came out with one shade of gloss. I'm wearing this on my lips right now as a large doe foot applicator. Super easy to apply. It's like a universal gloss, which is interesting because they came out with like 5,000 foundation shades. You know what? It is a very universal color. This would look good on so many people. It smells like fruit punch. And then the Stunna lip paint. This is in Uncensored. This might be the only color as well, but this red, the perfect shade of red. It's not too orange, it's not too blue. This just is like a really beautiful true red. Reds are really tricky because it can go on really patchy. But did you see that swatch? That is, oh, so good. It wears all day long. You don't get roly-polies or anything like that. And when you're applying it, it goes on so evenly. When you have a really concentrated color, especially a liquid lipstick, it can apply really patchy or it can dry really patchy, and it's just like, ugh. And then something else that I love about it is when you remove it, it doesn't stain your lips. I have so many, even just lipsticks, when you remove them, they like stain your lips, and then you're just kind of stuck being this like awkward shade of orange for like 2 days. Really weird. So the lashes that I've been wearing for the better part of 2017 have been the Lilly lashes, and these are the Faux Mink Mykonos. These are like way too glam for everyday lashes, but I've been wearing them every day. But I actually did this subscription service where you save 15% and you get free shipping. I think they come once every month. I like them for every day. I think that they're really flattering, crazy glam. I do the glam thing every single day, and these I think are perfect. MAC I think just makes some of the best blushers, and this is in the color Cheeky Bits. It looks so nice on the skin. Like, I love when tan people wear really concentrated blushers. I just think it adds so much life to the face. I love colors like this. My favorite eyeshadow palette has definitely been the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is with Morphe. I love Jaclyn Hill so much. Like, so much of what I do I learned from Jaclyn Hill. So many of the tools I have, the products I have. She just has such like a broad spectrum of colors. I have not even touched everything in this palette yet, but I just think this is such a good quality palette. When I think of Jaclyn, she and I both like to do really warm tones on the eye, like the red and stuff like that. So good on all different eye colors and skin tones. So this is just a really beautiful palette for everybody. At the end of the year, we had a collaboration from PatrickStarrr and MAC Cosmetics, which is like, what? This is Patrick's powder, and it's a translucent powder, but it's a little bit pink, and it is just super finely milled. I use it to bake my contour, just to sharpen up this line, to cut it. This stuff is so good. It's just really, really, really fine powder, and it's perfect for baking. When I have all my makeup on all day long and it's time to take it off, I use the Face Halo. So this is a company that Chloe Morello is affiliated with, and this little guy, all you do is add water on him and you can wipe off all of your makeup. You get 200 uses for each face halo. My trash cans are not filled with makeup wipes anymore. I guess they take like 100 years to biodegrade in landfills. This I love. It actually works better than makeup wipes, and this just is better for the environment. I love it. Love Chloe Morello, and this face halo, oh, is bomb. I have a video reviewing this, but I want to do a nighttime routine to really show this because it's fantastic. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. I actually got out my clothes, but that's okay. I'll take care of it. Beautiful stuff, you guys. This has been a fantastic year. I am so excited for 2018. I want to see what makeup has in store. I want to see what life has in store. I wish all of you guys the best. Hopefully 2018 is a very happy and healthy year for all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. From Mac. It's been from Mac because Mac 2018, 2018, find the man of your dreams. I'm talking to you. 2018. 2018 is time.